Okay, so Captain Underpants, give me a world crisis.
We're running out of ice cream.
Oh, a lack of ice cream. A lack of ice cream. Okay, alright, back to the underpants motif. Alright, got my boxers and my briefs on. Better check the crisis computer. Ding! Oh my goodness! The world is running out of ice cream! I better dial the Super Friends. Thank goodness you're here, Captain Walrus Boy.
I'm here when I heard your call.
Look at the screen. We're out of ice cream.
You know what we need?
What?
We need Captain Falsetto.
Wow. Captain Falsetto, take a look at the screen. What do you think?
Did you just get it?
Oh,
Yeah, but take a look at what's on the screen.
no more.
It's all going to be gone. How are we going to solve this?
Got an idea. But when I get excited, I start to go. So, be careful, guys. I think if we go around and maybe get a bunch of Eskimos,
And all my friends are Eskimos.
How are you going to get Eskimos with your falsetto voice?
I can shatter their asses.
Wow.
So, what will you do, Mr. Underpants, man?
I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the elastic band in my underpants
Oh,
to project you two into the far north to get those Eskimos to make us some ice cream.
That's a good idea.
Why don't we head out to the underpants catapulting room?
let's do it.
Okay. Done.